We're using the stability ball for a cardio workout. How many of us keep this at our desk and don't use it for cardio or that much at all? So here we go, down to the side. And I just put on 90s aerobic music because I love that era. So you want to get that whole body moving. Take a deep breath in. I'm squeezing my hands together as hard as I possibly can to get my chest. Let's go. Push, push, figure eights. Keep going. I'm giving you time to go get that ball. Squeeze. Then over the rainbows right here. Push, push. You can bring the legs together and stay low. Tighten that core. Good morning. Cardio Wednesday. Press. Then side to side. Use that core. Stay low. Keep going. Push. My music stopped. Keep going. I'm going to press that again. Don't stop. Push. It's connecting. Push. There it is. I have to work out with music. All right. Watch the shoulder press. Pull that shoulder back. And I'm actually pushing as hard into the ball as I can. Pull my arms back. Turn your body. Push. Hop it. Reach. Whatever you can do cardio, a little extra perk in the day is going to make you feel so much better. Push. All right, I'm going to drop into lunges right here. 2 back, 2 front. But I'm still pushing this arm into the ball. Now, instead of just taking a lunge to the front, I'm going to sit on that ball. Watch. Boom, 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 boom. Makes me feel like a kid when I can bounce. Singles, go. Gonna feel in that back leg here because it's stabilizing. Heart rate's already up. Let's go. Push. I'm gonna do a few more just like that. Sit. Breathe it out. Side to side. Press. Open up that chest again. I'm gonna add an element or two here. Push. Fast. Push. Push down hard. Work your core out. Drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it. Oh, and I'm using my legs, my body, my core, my back. Push. One more. Take it out. Squat. Lift. Squat. Watch the change. Squat. Lift. Squat. Lift. Little handstand. Push. You could do a burpee, but I like this alternative. Little pound through the legs. Up and down. Let's go. Feet together. Bend and add that rotation. Squeeze your hands really hard together. You'll feel this. Now I want you to pretend you're a 2-year-old, have a tantrum. Pound your legs. Pound them. Do one knee. Resist with the core. Tighten the abdominals. 8 more. Goes great with the music. Couple more. Then I'm going to take the other side, but I'm not going to do the same thing on the other side. Ready? Here we go. Push. Center it. Little jumps. Stay low because we're going to need to do this later with the ball between our legs. So I want to get you prepped. Here we go. Side to side. Turn that body right away. I'm going to do the same kick here though. Reach. Try and really stretch your body out. Push down hard. Good morning. Lunges again. 2 here. This time a squat. I'm pushing with my arms like a mini push-up. Push. And yeah, we're going to go to singles on this side. Here we go. Press. We don't have a lot more time, so I want to get to it. Hold it here. Grab the ball. Walk it. Chest up, knees out. Squeeze your booty. 4 in a walk. 4 in a bounce. Basketball shoot. Walk it. Bounce it. Basketball shoot. Let's do that one more time. Walk it. Bounce it. Shoot it. Center walk. I gotta reposition. Hold it there. Here comes the fun part. Oh yeah, let's say you're feeling lazy and you don't want to be running around. This is cardio. Do coordination. I'm just going to make this up as I go. Push it. All right, we got about 10 seconds left. I'm a little over time. I'm going to keep bouncing when I sign off. See you for Flexibility Friday. Yeah. Have a great day.